Hi, my name is Jay, and I'm here to introduce you to the Unity flag. I'm really excited about working on this for about 3 years now, and I'm very excited about finally launching it and looking for your help to help make that happen. So there's two reasons why the Unity flag is so awesome. One is that it's completely interactive. Anybody can take part and help actually create the images of the Unity flag. And two, it's actually a public art installation. And once we get all the flags printed and made and sent all around, we're going to ask everybody to display their Unity flags on the same day. And so the goal is to have Unity flags everywhere on this one day. So we're really excited about it. We hope that you'll get involved. Just before we jump into the details, I'm going to kind of go over why we chose the direction for the Unity flag. The original goal was to design an image and a symbol of unity between peoples and social movements. And so we, at first thought about creating some new images that, visually display the concept of unity. But instead we chose to go in a direction that utilized existing symbols of our social movements, because that's our goal, is to show the unity between the social movements. So instead of trying to get people to connect to a new design and a new image, we decided to just use existing imagery of social movements across the world and in our countries to show them all interconnected on a single flag, which can represent unity. So that's what we're excited about. That's kind of the direction that we're going, and we hope you're excited about it too. So the next thing to understand is how it's all interactive and how you can participate in actually selecting the images of the Unity flag. So you can go to our website, it's unityflag.net, and you can go to our flag prioritization vote. And if you come here, you'll see we have a whole variety of symbols, all different types of potential symbols that represent a variety of movements. Any particular symbol that can represent multiple different movements, and you can click on these symbols and images, and it just automatically will register your vote. So you can also click here for more information if you want to get more information about how that symbol is used in different movements. And again, we have a lot of different symbols that people can choose from, and of course you can also suggest your own. Anybody can input any symbol that they want, and then we can all vote and help prioritize to decide which symbols are part of the Unity flag that we're creating. In addition to the ones that we see here visually, there's also a whole variety, dozens and if not over 100 different symbols that we've gone through. And so people can vote on the different symbols, and we can also bring more onto our visual image here. But there's literally 100 different symbols that we've gone through, and these are just sort of the ones that we've helped pull out of the mix. So once we prioritize, which we'll go over in detail of our timeline in a bit, you can see some of the examples. So this one that we have now is just a draft. This is a 9-symbol flag, international, and you can also do like a 4. If you just took the top 4 symbols that got prioritized, you can also do 16. You can see this one is actually tailored towards the United States and California. You can also tailor the 9 one to a particular country or region of the world. So there's definitely a lot of applicability to how you can tailor the flags and make them work. In the context of utilizing different types of images, we can't utilize anything that's copyrighted or that's an image that represents an organization in the world. And so in that context, we would either need to get permissions to use it, or we would specialize them and add in a particular component for the Unity flag for that particular organization or network. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways that the Unity flag can be customized and made perfect for each location and situation. And so we're really excited about moving forward with it. So I wanted just to quickly go over the timeline and make sure people understand what this would look like. So right now it's April. We would start our crowdfunding campaign. We'd end the crowdfunding campaign in May, and then in June we would do all the voting for the different styles and models of flags that would be possible with the prioritization that we made. And then the idea would be to finalize this in July. So June we finalize all the voting of the symbols, prioritize them. In July we present all of the different options for the final versions, and then people can vote on those, and then we'll have them made in August, and then September, mail them all out, and then October would be the Unity Day event announcement where we would do the public art installation. So this would be the public art installation where we just display the Unity flag all over for that one day. So, and we would let everyone know about that. So that's pretty much the plan. We're really excited about it. We think that it's a great way of expressing, unity and expressing the importance of having a symbolic image to show people that unity is an important component of our society and our communities. So, we ask you for support. For people who do want to donate over $50, we'll customize the flag for your organization or your location. And for all the other flags, we can make them, we'll just mainly do the one that gets the most votes, which would be the international version. So I think that makes, a general picture and everything you need to know. If you have questions, please ask them. I'll look forward to doing lots of updates as this campaign goes along. And we're really excited, and we hope that, in just a few months, we'll have an amazing public installation around the whole country, if not the world, to, generate interest in unity and unification between social movements. And this is the flag that we want to put out to do that. So thank you so much, and we hope for you to get involved. Have a wonderful day.